Does it take you that long to do this kind of stuff? No, right? Look at how much Sophia can do in 15 minutes. Greetings, friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Love Fuller, and I am here with day 9 of my February Fly Lady Decluttering Challenge. I am doing this challenge along with Sophia from My Great Challenge, who has been posting every single day. And I have not posted every single day, but for me to do it for 9 days out of the month, it's way better than I've ever done in my whole entire 45 years of living. So I'm gonna pat myself on the back for that. Okay, so yeah, last time we did this cabinet where I decluttered some things, and I know this mess down here has been driving you crazy. Okay, so I know that a normal person would be able to do this in 15 minutes, this in 15 minutes, but I don't know if I can do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this part probably in 15 minutes, and if I have more time, then I'll go to that top part. If not, I'll do that in a separate video, because I keep telling you, I am moving faster and faster every single day. So let's get going. This section down here is where I keep my teas, and for some reason I have my spice jars down there and some oils, although I have some oils up there. So maybe I will do both at the same time. Let's go. I'm gonna take these things from up top, and what's up here is like oils and vinegars and syrup, I see. And I put the popcorn popper up there last time when it was over here. I'm gonna go ahead and relocate the spice jars right away. To be next to the spices. I have 3 boxes of these number 2 filters. I don't even use that much coffee. That's another package here of coffee filters. And 2 more packages of coffee filters. So I will keep, this is 100 coffee filters. And I don't really use coffee that much. So I guess I'll keep 2 just in case, I guess. I don't know. Because I don't really want to throw away 4. 5, 4. Alright. These, 50 million of these oils. Some of them are duplicated and they're full. But I'm not going to use canola oil anymore. Get rid of those. I have lots of olive oil. I have this extra virgin garlic olive oil that I don't really like the flavor of that. I don't know, maybe my stepson used a lot of it. I'm not sure, but I don't like the flavor of it. I'm gonna go. Some sunflower oil I'm gonna keep, even though I'm not gonna cook with it. I just used it recently for something. I don't remember what it was, but just used it, so that's good. Alright. Butter, extra virgin olive oil. So I have all of these. Well, these 2 are garlic flavored. Okay. Alright, so we have 100% pure coconut oil, but it is not virgin. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about this coconut oil. No. I have this honey that's old. That. Anything else I can get rid of? Let's see. I'm not sure what to do with this 100% Luana coconut oil. It's not organic. I guess I could use, I don't know. Here's organic, virgin, I don't know. But I'm gonna throw away coconut oil. It's probably never even been opened. Nope. Never been opened, never been used. Maybe someone wants it. Time-wise, it's a wash because it took me half of my time just to. I have 3 of these olive oils. I have this one that's truffle oil, which I don't like the flavor of, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Garlic flavor, butter. Hey, why is it so hard? Weird. It's there, working. Just put it on the table. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, let's go, chop chop. All right, so now that's the spray. Here's a coconut spray. Here's another extra virgin olive oil spray. So I have 3 of these extra virgin olive oil sprays. Can you tell? Like 4 of them. Can you tell I was afraid to run out? Wow. I don't even know if I'm using this spray stuff anymore. To be quite honest, these 2 are completely new, have not been opened. It says organic extra virgin olive oil cold pressed. I mean, I guess what. Okay, that's 15 minutes, but they just only have olive oil in them. I guess these sprays. I guess these kinds of sprays don't have the extra, I guess, chemicals in them. It just says olive oil. So, oil. I have toasted sesame oil. I might just have oil for days and days and days and days and days and weeks. That's what I have. So, I think I'm gonna put this spray. Which one is the one that is? That one is the emptiest one. So I'll put these. Healthy detox tea. Alright, so this is oil. I guess I could put the syrups here also. Syrups and honeys. I mean, I don't want to throw away these because they're half empty. That's everything. Here's another little maple syrup that I use. I like the way you have them so I can just see what they are. Mr. Fuller has them stacked so I can just see what they are. Pretty sure this doesn't go for anything here. Work for anything here. Where's the popcorn maker go now? I still think the popcorn maker can go up there with the oil. Why not? You need oil for the popcorn maker. Okay, there it is. We did it, people. It took 38 minutes. Does it take you that long to do this kind of stuff? No, right? Look at how much Sophia can do in 15 minutes. Just like before, it's not that cute, but a couple people in my comment section told me that it doesn't need to be cute. It just needs to be decluttered. Okay, So there you go. So I put all of these syrups that are like open. I hardly use this, but I made some cookies with this. So if people ask me to make cookies, I'll make those cookies because I have ingredients for those. I'm using maple syrup for sweetener now, and honey for sweetener, and ghee for my butter. Okay, this is just old. That's from Weight Watchers days. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I should just throw it away, huh? Oh my gosh, really? Maybe I'll give it to my stepson. See if he wants it. We'll ask him. All right, so I rearranged some things here. I took the tea cups and put them down here with the tea. I mean, although, yeah, I did that. And I lined up the tea. I like the tea lined up this way so I can see everything. Like all the kinds of tea, I can just reach for whatever I want. This back there is Earl Grey down there on the bottom, the bag and the box. This is my junk drawer, kitchen junk drawer. This is the tea concoction that I have. I really should move these because this is not, it doesn't go with the tea. I moved the grinders over here, because they're coffee grinders, but actually I use them for, I told you, for spices. But there's that. Someone asked me why I put my lids separate, because you know how, like, if you're drinking coffee or tea or something and then you wash it, but then you put the lid back on of any kind of container, sometimes the container will still retain the flavor of what you just ate, so, or what you drank, even though you washed it. So that's why I leave the lids off. That's one of my pet peeves, so I leave the lids off. Okay, so that's it, folks. So I got rid of this. Not that much, but it's something. Actually, I bought this for people. I bought this specifically for if someone comes over and they want to have coffee, like coffee. Listen, I can make them real brewed coffee. I don't even know what this is. So I'm probably like, what is this? This is disgusting. I don't even know what brand that is. Like, really? I'm not doing that. Okay, so I don't need all of these. I'm sure that there are really good uses for coffee filters, and a normal person would not look that up, and they would just throw it away because you're supposed to throw it away because that's what we're doing, but I'm going to look it up. But these can just actually go in the garbage. I mean, this has never been opened. Oh, yes, it does. Unfortunately, it has. Walden Farms pancake syrup, I guess. But I'm not doing sugar-free and light and all that kind of stuff anymore, so that's it. Garbage. That's it, folks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment. You guys have been leaving the best comments, been very helpful. I really appreciate that. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you join me for more of these decluttering videos, because they're going to continue past February, because this is only the beginning. This is the easy stuff, okay? But it's stuff that's in my face all the time that was annoying, so that's why I took care of it. So please click the subscribe button for more videos like this. Hit the bell if you want to be notified right away. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao, friends. Yo, this mess down here has been driving you crazy. Let's take a screenshot with it. I didn't take photos. Anyway, I'll just anyway. I mean, I don't know what the problem is, but it is. I can't even like walk over here to throw this in the garbage because I have all of this freaking equipment. The light went out. Ugh. Let's step over all of this equipment and mess. Okay. All right, so